What's going on, everybody? Chuck here, and I hope that you are having a fantastic day today. In this video, there's a whole lot of Christmas going on. So, it's earlier than I would normally do Christmas decorations. and if you watched my video last year, I've explained this, I'm very much give Thanksgiving its due. Do not put Christmas lights, do not put your Christmas tree up before Thanksgiving. I should say that's for me, I'm not telling you what to do because that's stupid. But I don't want to do anything before Thanksgiving. Usually I don't do anything until December 1st. It's a little bit early for my taste, but the family wants the Christmas lights up. They want a Christmas tree. So I'm gonna be a dutiful father and do what I need to do to make my family happy this Christmas season. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the Christmas lights up. Now, if you've also watched my video last year, which I'll link to, you'll know that I do not like being on roofs. Oh God, with me. I don't mind climbing ladders, I just don't like climbing on roofs. I bought a 2-story house. So I did break from the norm from last season. Now last season I did also make a big deal that I like to use the icicle lights or the dangling string lights, and that's true. I do like using those, but after last season, we had a couple really windy days, windy nights, and a lot of the bulbs broke, and even full strands went out even when I replaced the bulb, so it didn't look as great towards the end of the season, so I threw them all away. And when I went to go buy more icicle lights to put up, they didn't have enough variety and lengths, so I didn't buy any. So I went ahead and went with the C9 LED lights. They even have these in the white string. They just had them in the green. They had the big rolls, like the 50-foot, 100-foot rolls in white. I don't need that much light, so I have to put up the green ones, which is fine. When they're lit and it's dark, you really won't know the difference. So it's gonna be a different look for me this year, but I got a couple other things to make up for that different look.
10 lords are leaping, 9 ladies waiting, 8 maids are milking, 7 swans are swimming, 6 geese are laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 pipers piping, 10 lords are leaping, 9 ladies waiting, 8 maids are milking, 7 swans are swimming, 6 geese are laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 12 drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping, 10 lords are leaping, 9 ladies waiting, 8 maids are milking, 7 swans are swimming, 6 geese are laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a
last night after we got back from getting our Christmas tree, I finished wrapping that post, although I gotta do it again because half of one of the strands isn't working, so I need to replace that. I'll show you here in a second, put up the inflatable Olaf because my daughter wanted an Olaf, and a couple light up Christmas presents. So I put those things out, and I had the house lit up last night in its incomplete state. And I think I've decided I am gonna go up there and just put lights along the gutter line and then down, and not go along the rest of the house. I'm going to put, there's some bushes back there, and put some lights in the bushes, put some lights on the tree, and then I have some of the lit up Christmas trees I'm going to put in the front yard as well. And then that should be it. I also mowed because I didn't want to put out extension cords and all this stuff and then have to mow and have to move them and stuff. So went ahead, and I think that'll be the last mow of the year. I think, maybe not, I don't know. But yeah, so can't talk the whole time, gotta get some work done. Seems fitting to come outside in the snow to wrap up this Christmas decorations video. Although for those of you that actually have snow every year, this is just a flurry for you. But here in East Tennessee, this causes everyone to lose their minds and purchase all the milk and bread. But joke's on them, because that stuff was all bought up back in March. But overall, you know, here in East Tennessee, we probably get about 2 inches every year of snow, at the foothills anyway. The mountains get a lot more, but about 2 inches, couple inches every year is about what we get. You know, you'll get that one person that's like, oh, remember the blizzard of '93 where it was like 16 inches or something like that. I don't remember. I don't know. But, you know, but still, we're going to be out here. We're going to enjoy it. We're not going to freak out about it because we think it's beautiful, especially when you have the golf course back here. So it makes it look real pretty. So anyway, overall, I'm real pleased with how my Christmas decorations turned out. I do wish I would have finished off the roof line there on the brick part of the house. But, you know, that's really tall for my tastes, and I didn't measure it out. So to make up for it, we're actually going to put wreaths on all the windows there to make the whole house sort of look symmetrical and decorated. Although with the bushes lit up and those two white lit trees, not lit trees, whatever. It does sort of help with that, but it's going to make the whole house look decorated, because the one thing that I knew but there's more house space to have to try to decorate to make it look full, which is what I want. I want everything to be symmetrical, the left side of the house, the right side of the house, everything just to look decorated. So putting some wreaths up there will definitely help. And then this is also an evolving process. Every year I'll add some new stuff, some new lights, some new decorations, or whatever the case may be. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you all liked it. Please like, subscribe, comment below. How do you decorate your house? Have you already decorated your house? What kind of lights do you like to use? Do you like to use the colored lights or the white lights? That actually reminds me of a short film that my film buddy and I made called Christmas Bash. I'm gonna link to that down in the description below. It's actually a really funny video if you want to go ahead and check that out. And you can subscribe to that channel too if you want to, if you like just to watch some independent short films, which I like to do in my increasingly limited spare time. But anyway, I will see you all next video, which is gonna be about the deck build, show you how we built this deck. So anyway, I will see you then. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and God bless.